The question I always get is, how do I get all of my SMMA clients? How do I get so many? How do I get them so fast? And how do I get them with so much predictability? If you're an SMA owner, you need to watch this video. So like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as this channel is gonna be your beacon for SMMA, strategies, tactics, new softwares I'm using, and just copy and paste what I'm doing every single day to run a $3 million plus agency. So let's get into today's video.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
One of the biggest questions I get is, how do I get all my clients, right? Are you running ads? Are you doing organic? Are you doing your referral methods? How are you structuring your client acquisition? So what I'm gonna get into today is kind of like where we basically funnel people through the front end, and then while we're funneling people to the front end, there's multiple ways that we do get clients, and then the back end. So first way we do get clients right now is paid ads. I don't run anything organically necessarily. Like, I have my Instagram that I'm trying to get back right now that had over 1 million followers. We were posting a couple times a day. We were building a good organic base, a good personal brand with awareness, and that's how we were getting most of our clients. The front end side is paid ads. Second thing is that, people who see my ads, they'll either go to the funnel and book a call, or they go to my profile and send a message. Okay, that happens a lot. So they'll go to my profile, they'll look around, they'll be like, there's a lot of authority and credibility, so then they decide to send a message, because maybe they don't want to book a call. Maybe they just want to find a little bit of information first before they book a call. So there's two kinds of people, right? And I would close a lot of deals through DM, like just straight up answering their objections, answering their questions, telling them about the process, what's included, then just sending them a pay funnels link, and then they would pay. Second way is they go to the funnel, they get qualified, they book a call, right? And those are the two ways that we get clients. Now, once they become a client, they're signing 3 months minimum, okay? That's because I need a higher LTV. I need to be able to let that client be patient enough to seek out the process and see the results they want. Now, once they're a client for X amount of months, we have them in our ecosystem longer. A lot of agencies run a month-to-month model, and that is killing your LTV and your retention rates. You wanna have retention rates over 80% or higher to really have a good, scaling agency. Like, you really can't scale if your retention's low. I know most agencies are churn and burn, but these are the things that I've just done that have allowed me to predictably get new clients and keep that retention as high as possible, because most of my referrals don't really leave, and that's what I'm getting into right now. So once they're a client for 3 months, we usually will go to them and say, listen, you've been with us for 3 months, here are your results. You can sign again for 3 months, and that's how we push the LTV route, or we send them into maybe a more higher ticket program. And then the third wave is referrals. That's where we say, hey, listen, you've been with us for X amount of months. Do you have 5 friends that, you can put us in group chats with right now that are ready to buy, that would benefit from our service if you vouch for us? This is called associated selling. Associated selling is probably the easiest way to sell through warm traffic, not just organic social media. So you use your current clients, use the leverage of their results you're getting them, and then just simply sell their friends who are also business owners. It's the easiest way to sell, right? I have a client, Damon, who literally sends me referrals like every single couple of days, because he runs a biz op offer where he basically gives people a business funding business, right? They pay X amount of money, and then what do they do for the ads? They go to us. So we have so many business funding clients who are running ads with us because of Damon. So we're basically, giving incentives on his invoice, also people who are joining him, we're able to obviously cross-platform their data so that they can scale just as fast. So I'm bringing his clients massive amounts of value, and I'm getting massive amounts of value, tons of referrals. Damon's brought me probably over 10 grand a month in business alone. So you want to build a good relationship with your clients in that sense, because they're forever going to never let you go hungry. And that's kind of how I always predictably get people in my ecosystem. Now, the other side of the coin, that was kind of the more of the back end that I talked about in the beginning, is the organic social, right? We push posts sometimes where I'll do 2 things. Number 1, I'll do the looking for 3 business owners who want to do X, Y, and Z, message me the word launch for special pricing today only. That's one thing that I've always done on my story, but I don't have Instagram right now, so I can't. And the second route is live Zooms, okay? I will basically go on my story and say, listen, I'm in the Zoom room right now for an hour. If you want to sign on with us, hit the link in the story post. You could join my Zoom and ask me questions personally one-on-one, and then we can get you signed on at a special price. So that's a way for people to basically it's like a group sales call, right? You can get 3-4 people to join. I don't care how many followers you have, 3 to 4 people join. You answer their questions on a Zoom. If they want to sign on, you send the pay funnels link in the Zoom chat, and multiple people can pay at once. So that's another way that I've been able to basically leverage the personal brand to get more clients organically as well, not just paid ads. So I hope this video kind of gave you some inspiration or tactics for what you want to do moving forward. with your client acquisition. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30.